If Microsoft Edge is playing up and it's refusing to close down, how exactly can you fix that? Well, we'll be going through several methods that you can use in Windows in this very video to shut down Edge if it's refusing to after just pressing the regular close button. So by far the easiest method is to do it via the Task Manager. Now there are two ways of accessing it. You can either use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, which brings up this menu from which you can then click on Task Manager, or you can click on the Start button, which is present in the bottom left of your taskbar, and then you want to select Task Manager from this list of options that pop up. Once you have Task Manager up, what you want to do is find Edge in the list of apps and processes that are currently running. Once you've found it, you can then click on it, and once you've done that, you can click the End Process button in the top right. Or alternatively, the other way of shutting it down is by right-clicking on it and then clicking on End Task from this context menu that appears. You may have to do it several times if it's being particularly stubborn. Now sometimes if the freeze is especially bad, you won't be even able to access the Task Manager, so there is actually a way around that. Instead, what you can do is create a brand new desktop and access it there. So what you want to do is click on the Show Desktops button, and once you do that, you want to create a brand new desktop. Once you're on the new desktop, you want to once again bring up Task Manager like before, and then try and do it again. You can also try and force it to shut down by going into Settings and trying to repair the app there. So what you want to do is go into your Windows settings, which can be done by either just searching up Settings in the search bar, or by once again right-clicking on the Start button and then selecting Settings from that list. And once you are in Settings, what you want to do is click on Apps on the left hand side, and then from there you want to head into Installed Apps from this list in the middle. Next up, find Microsoft Edge. Once you do, click on the three dots that appear next to it. And next, you want to click on Modify. It will then bring up a window which you can use to try and repair Microsoft Edge, and as part of the repairs, it will try to force close it. So those are the main ways of force closing Microsoft Edge. If it's still not working, then the next best thing is simply just to restart your PC. So hopefully you have found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.